multiply by my coins, it is 79,483, so equivalent of 7.8 Matic. So this is my trust wallet, and you can see 0.21 Matic and the value of $0.25. It is the same transaction that I have received on.
So hey guys, so this is my second video that how to earn Wombat coins and how to earn Matic and EOS. So this video is tutorial for Wombat earning. I will show you in this video that how you earn crypto without any investment. This video I'll show you that how you earn Matic and EOS coin for free. Do not spend any single dollar or a crypto. You can earn a great amount of crypto like Matic and EOS. This channel is very new, so I need your support. So please click on the like button of this video and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. So without waste of any time, let's get started and jump into the video. So firstly, Wombat interface look like this, and this is a great and interesting app, and this platform is a gaming platform. So first thing I will tell you that what is Wombat. So Wombat is a crypto gaming platform, and you make a great amount of crypto like Matic, EOS and Wombat also. Wombat has his own cryptocurrency. Now its price is rapidly boom. Like you see that $0.005 is the current value of Wombat gaming platform, and one day it's increasing of 23.03% approx. And you see the chart. So wait a minute. So here you can see how Wombat coin performed. So here is the chart, and you can see the 7 days chart and the 1 month chart. You can see the rapidly boom of the price of this coin, and 1 year chart you can absolutely see the coin is performed very well, and the all-time high is not a break. So the coin performed in bull run amazing, and you can earn also Wombat for free. I will explain this video, so don't skip this video, so you can know about this platform, that now you can earn Matic and EOS such type of coin. So that the first platform provides you a simple interface, so decode it with me. So the top of the right corner you can see the Wombat coins. It is 0 coins for me, but you can earn a lot of Wombat, and I have already withdrawn some Matic coins in this app for free. I will show you in this video. So here is my coins, 79,483 coins. So you can two options, play or join. So you can click on the join button. So after you click the join button, you can see the your Wombat coins. So I'll see you my history, payout history. So you can see 0.2 Matic I have already withdrawn on this app, and Wombat coins, it is majorly coins you can convert into the Matic and EOS such type of cryptocurrencies. So here are my top earnings you can see and payouts of this Matic coin. So let's back. You scroll down so that you can see the weekly cash out. So this app is providing you to cash out on weekly basis. So if you want to withdraw your coins into the Matic coins or EOS, so choose payout tokens. So click on the these options, and then you can see EOS, PBTC, Matic and Wombat. 4 options you can choose. If you want to convert your Wombat coins into the EOS, so then you can choose EOS, and if you want to convert into Wombat, so you choose Wombat. But I also prefer that always convert into Matic. So save button, click on the save button, and you can see 1000 Wombat coins into the 0.099 Matic coin. So if I want to cash out my 79,483 coins into the Matic coin, so here are the calculation. This is the value of 1000 coins multiply by my coins. It is 79,483, so equivalent of 7.8 Matic. So also 1 Matic equal to $1 approx now a time. So you can see $7.8 instant you can earn in your wallet or in your Binance or Trust wallet, whatever you withdraw. So scroll down, and then you can see some mystery boxes. So if you want to earn these coins, so how to earn these coins? So scroll down, then you will see 3 to 4 type of rows, these activities you should do for claiming the coins. Like first option is daily Dragon Master run. So this is a basic game you can play and earn 100 Wombat coin instant, and then open a loot box. This is the best feature of this app. Because of open a loot box, you can give a 500, 600, any amount of Wombat coins instantly on a daily basis, and then scroll down and then check in bonus. So daily you can check in this app, you can earn 100 Wombat instantly. And then last one is option, if you earn a daily basis 1000 Wombat, so 500 Wombats reward you can earn. So if you earn these type of tasks and play some games, so you can go to the withdrawal section on the join button and then click on the join button. So here is the join button, then click on the join button. After, you can put your amount. I have 79,483 points, so if I want 10,000 point withdrawal, so then I will enter and click on the confirm button. So my withdrawal is successfully converted and the week is ended. I will get my Matics in my wallet. So here is the wallet option. Click on the wallet option and you can see here, you can see how much Matic I have. So I have 0.079 Matics, the value of approx $0.09. Here is my history. You can see how much withdrawal I have and how much I get on this app. I have recently withdrawn my 0.21 Matic in my Trust Wallet app. So this is my Trust Wallet and you can see 0.21 Matic and the value of $0.25. It is the same transaction that I have received into the Wombat app. So you can see the date of this transaction, 27 Jan. You can see the same date on the transaction. So you can see this is a simple method to earn cryptocurrency like Matic or EOS or whatever you want, Wombat also. So the app link in my description, a great amount of Matic bonus. So this is the fully tutorial that how to earn free crypto in your wallet. If you have any question, then you will ask me to comment section and I will give you the right information and your comments answer. So now many things remaining like swapping, gaming and many more, but I can't explain in a single video. So if you want to know, let me know in the comment section. I will try to make such type of videos that you demanded on the topic. So I hope you like this video, and you like this video, then click on the like button and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will meet you in the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you.